Alright guys, so we're back here with the 69 Cougar. I have the valve train and the intake manifold completely masked off, and now I'm ready to go paint the block and the oil pan. So I think I did a pretty good job. I've gotten pretty much all around the edges. The valve train's completely safe. Intake manifold's all taped off. This is going to be this Ford light blue. That's going to be your block and your oil pan. And then the valve covers and the intake manifold, they're going to be satin black. I've started to paint the valve covers, and I was getting ready to paint the water pump. Let me go right over here. There's one valve cover. Gonna paint that water pump and the other valve cover. They just have one coat of paint on it, so I'll go over it and get spots that I missed, especially in between these little grooves. Those are pretty difficult. It's pretty hot out here. Anyways, I'll get you guys an update hopefully when I have the water pump done, and hopefully I have the engine outside. Later guys. Little update here. I did go out and finish that water pump, so that's done. Alright guys, little update here. So I was going to paint the water pump and the valve covers, or finish painting the valve covers, but a breeze started, so I couldn't really do that because you don't really want to spray paint in the wind, because that would not turn out very well. So this is all I'm gonna do on the block today, or on the oil pan and heads and everything, because spray painting inside and in a closed space is probably not the greatest to do. So I will open that, kind of air this place out, not all the way, but I just wanted to get something done on this, so I just did a few little bit. You can kind of see how it's gonna be looking. I'd say it looks pretty good. I am gonna, under Scotty's instruction, gonna sand down the oil pan a little better to help the paint stick. Yeah, I think this thing's gonna turn out pretty good. I like that that Ford light blue. I think it's gonna look pretty good with the black intake manifold. We're gonna sand down the top of the letters. So I don't know how many of you have seen Joey's car, but it's gonna be like Joey's valve cover. His valve covers are gonna be this, not Joey, Jordan. Jordan's valve covers, they're gonna be, wow. I totally blanked. Jesus.